How much does an electrician make in Dominican Republic? The average electrician income in Dominican Republic is around $9,500 a year. After tax, this average electrician pay drops to $8,400, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $700 each month. Electrician wages in large cities are usually higher than rural areas, so an electrician salary in Santo Domingo brings home $9,900 after tax, but higher costs of living in the city often offset that extra pay. Starting workers earn well below these averages, though their pay goes up quickly during the first few years before it plateaus. A university degree is not required for this trade, yet getting an education helps you move into higher-paying positions like electrical inspector or project supervisor. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial wiring helps you earn even more money.